Hello and welcome to another session of Navigating Lightship. Nicole here, Product Manager at Lightship Works, and in this video I will guide you through using georeferenced PDF maps in Collect. For more information about using maps in Collect, check out our other video, Collect Maps. Georeferenced PDF maps allow you to go offline without losing a detailed view of your worksite. Georeferenced PDFs are added as a file, which is then used like a base map in Collect. To create a georeferenced PDF map, log into the Lightship web portal. Click the map icon on the left side of the screen. Configure your map with all the details you would like to see. First, change the base map with the drop-down in the bottom of the map screen. Next, change the Lightship map by choosing it from the Maps list and update the layers within the Lightship map accordingly. In my case, I have chosen to use the Google Hybrid Base Map, the Municipal Water System Lightship map, and to only show the pressurized water main layer. I will zoom in to get a better view of the Kamloops core. Once you have configured your map, click the print icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Choose the size of PDF you would like. I will choose 11 by 17 and click Select. This will generate a preview of your PDF. Add a description in the top right corner or change the title accordingly. You can also change your map view at this time by zooming or dragging the map to change the center location. Once you're satisfied, click the print icon in the top left corner of the screen and click Download. This will download a PDF file to your device, in my case, my laptop. This PDF must be added to your mobile device for Collect to consume it. You can either email it to yourself, use a file sharing service like Dropbox or Google Drive, or use another syncing method compatible with your device. Once you have obtained the PDF file on your mobile device, you can either add it via the file or via Collect. To load it via the file, click on the file in your local storage. Choose the Open With option for the file and choose Lightship Collect. To load it via Collect, open the Maps page and select the PDF Layers tab. Click the Upload button at the bottom of the screen and choose your PDF file. Mine exists in Downloads. I will select it and let it load in Collect. Once the PDF has been loaded, click on it to add it to your Maps view. The PDF should now be centered in the correct location on the map. To remove the PDF from this view, click the Layered Squares icon in the top right corner of the app and select it to turn off the layer. To remove the PDF completely, click the arrow beside it and click the X to delete it. Thank you for joining another session of Navigating Lightship, where we went over using georeferenced PDF maps in Collect. For more helpful information or to learn more about Lightship, please visit our website at www.lightshipworks.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, Vimeo, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for news and updates. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.